Teams can use the DuoBoard with Instashare for easy screen sharing. With it, you can quickly cast up to 9 smartphone, tablet, or notebook screens, regardless if the devices run on iOS, Android, Mac OS, or Windows. In addition, you can control the screens of each device directly on the DuoBoard. Here's casting from an iPad. When collaborating with team members, you can use the split screen feature so that everyone's screen appears on the board. You can split the screen into 2, 4, or 9, depending on the number of active participants. Because of the DuoBoard's touchscreen functionality, you can navigate any device screen displayed on the DuoBoard. The two-way touch feature lets you collaborate with your team on projects and presentations. You can edit it both on your computer or from the DuoBoard. When presenting, you can change slides by tapping the screen and highlight points using the DuoBoard Active Pen's laser pointer. By allowing multiple users to cast their screens on the DuoBoard, it's easier for teams to share ideas and work together in real time.